good. Okay. How do you leave bevy? Window quit or something like that? Yeah, I want to quit it with escape, but something trivial sometimes. Close and oh, there's a system for it. Perfect. A debug system for it. There. Yes, it's a general system. I try to make Mario move, but maybe I try to make it move with physics, and I have no idea how the physics work with Mario. I guess there's like acceleration, velocity, and position transform. I think that's how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to use a physics engine. I think I'm going to keep it simple. And I think the other things to do is make the basic physics engine and make Mario jump and all of that, and also collision with the tiles and collision with the enemy. Just try to make it move normally and also animate it. I don't know how to make animation with bevy. I think they probably have a specific package, or I don't know to do it, but can I quit it with escape? Yes, I can. Cool. Yeah, there's also I want to change the level because I make a mistake. I made a mistake here. I'm missing one. I'm missing one row. If I just add the row, is that going to crash? It's a good question. I don't think so, but no, that's perfect. And add up the tile size actually. Cool. Yeah, just need to make it transform this thing into that, I think. Maybe not actually. Let's bring the level from this thing. Okay, there's some. Okay, just should copy it actually. I don't know. How was this 0 here? It should be also just a block. If I take the game. This thing should be a block. I don't know why it's not a block. There's a mistake here. Maybe correct it first. It should be a block here. Yeah, here. It's correct. I think it's correct. Okay. No, I'm missing one here. I don't think I saved it, no? Why is this one more here? Yeah, one tile I understand. But... oh, yeah, okay, this thing. Yeah. Does that make sense? Don't think so. If I take a look here. Right. No, it doesn't make sense. Oh. Does this thing make sense? Don't think so. There's a 3-3. Yeah, this mistake. This is really strange. Not sure to 2-3. Then there's a lot of gap. It looked like my map is kind of broken. Yes, this look correct. I don't know why it's 0-0 here, but the 0-0. I think it's because the I know why. No, it's because my tile extraction is really badly done. It should have used like machine learning, because I just took this picture, and this picture of like the Goomba when it's on the block, the image is different, because you take like the foot of the Goomba and it merges with the block, and so 0 mean I cannot. This 0 mean it wasn't extracting the tile, so I can replace it with what I want. Yes, I can basically do that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Level should look good now. Okay. Fade this unit. Yeah, it look kind of good. Well, let's try the Mario. Yeah, I need to. I need to change the. It would be cool if I could. Probably needs also another key to reset the world. Would be useful, but let's not do that now. Yeah, I was on this thing to extract the tiles, but yeah, I just extract tiles with index. I don't know if it's a good idea to do that, but yeah, in the end I have like maybe it's a good idea, maybe it's not. It's annoying because I have to extract everything this way. This is the annoying part. I need to extract every sprite here, and yeah, that's annoying. It need to be basically, yeah, need to be well done, otherwise nothing will. What's the fish here? And I put. So basically now I test with. I must give a random index somewhere. Must give a random index somewhere. I don't know where. The text handle here, and cannot find a random index. Oh, it's not here. It's no, not here. See, yeah, I take the for index here. What if I put 30? 30 is the white, okay. Yes, I should maybe do a Python script to 30 is the white, yeah. I need to go until there and then I do it the other later, but I at least need to go to the first Mario. Well, even, yeah, not just the first Mario, I think it's enough. Because the second one is when he climb. Mario can climb on the first one? Huh, I don't even remember. And the other animations when he swim. Oh, one is a big crunch. This is running animation. Yeah, I need to at least go there. The last one is 1, 2, 3 row. So I guess this is the first row, fourth row, and is that exactly the same? No. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, this thing is annoying. This thing yeah. They all take medium size. It means 24. Except one takes 16 on the y-axis. They all take 16 on the x-axis. And I wonder how many of them there are. How many is the... maybe it's not... Yeah, I think it's the same. It's the same as this row, so... It's how many there are. Yeah, the trick is the x-axis. Is the x-axis good? 32, so the y-axis is 32 plus 16. Yes, I shouldn't use 16 here. I should use... this is rather maybe I should use... Yeah, yeah, I'm okay with that, but with the y-axis I should definitely use the TS at least here. I think it will make more sense. TS. Okay. And then I do a TS time 2 here. Oops. TS time 2. Do we do a digit 4? Yeah? No? Go away. What's happening? Emacs, come back. Okay. And 2. And 2. Of course, it needs to be 2 times. It's annoying. It needs to be 2 times because it's a float. 0. Oh! I hate this shit so much. Up. And 0 like that. So, is it? It's 32. Yeah, that's the one I copy. So the one I copy, so it's 0, 16, 32, and then going to be where it starts is going to be TS time 3. Time 3 here. Yeah, but the tricky part is not the tricky part is that the y-axis is going to take TB. Not TB, TM. It's for tie size, tie small, tie medium, tie big. That's how I give the name. It's stupid, but good enough. Yeah, so let me do that first. This is the x-axis is always, yeah, it's always this thing. There's a tricky part here. Yeah, this is a tricky part there, but doesn't really matter. But it's all TM, so except one. All TM, except this one is a TS. Look correct. Okay, so let's do the next one. 5. Yeah, I know I should use like a JSON file or a run file. Or I know it's stupid to just put it into an array like that, but it's not lost. I mean, I can transform it later if I want to refactor that. I have some, can show some sprites more easy. Otherwise, it's too much work because I don't even know how to load. I don't. Even, yeah, I think I need to load a file as an asset with bevy, and then like using something like a serializer to say, okay, I'm going to transform to this struct. I actually don't really know how to do that. I think it's probably very simple, but and because I don't know, I do something I know. Yeah, the trick is the TS now. Yeah, that's tricky also, because the TS is 16 and I want 24. Yeah, maybe I do another level like with like a T tiny for 8, because I want to add. Yeah, I want to add a tiny every time. Yeah, I don't really like it, but well, I can do TS divide by 2 times something plus TS. That also work. But it's like I'm working with units, but I'm not working with 8 units. And the real units, when you see the time map, is 8. This is the smallest thing. It's 8 units. It's not. It is definitely not 16. Maybe I should add one. I don't know. Let's see. Time. No, I add this one also. Yes. This one is 16. I'm in the 5, so I'm here. Nothing fancy about except this one. I need to. Technically, it's 5, but if I take 5, yeah, you know what? I'm going to take 5, and I'm just going to do a minus on this one. I'm going to do a minus on this one. I think it will work. A minus on the y-axis. So, well, it would be TS. No, it's not TS5, so no. Because, yeah, it's a TS4 plus TT. Yeah, I always put TT now because of that, so maybe it can also be a TT time 7. Technically it's a TT times 7. I think I'm going, yeah, maybe I'm going for TT times 7. Let's do that, TT times 7. Times 7. then TS. So this is correct, the X is correct. The Y, this one need to be 6. Maybe it's not times, yeah, is it? No, it's it's time, is that TT7 or this is like it was TT6? It skipped 3, so it should be TT9 actually. It should be TT9 except for this one, that will be a TT8. I think it's correct, I'm not sure. And this one is a medium size on the Y, and all the other one are TS. So I think no, there I think I've stopped see no, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is a TS. This one, this one is a TS. They are TS, and the other one are TS also. No, not the last one. The last one is a TM also. Okay. Now I need to something complex also. I need to count every row because it's indexed by row in the end, so I need to count all this row and give me, maybe I can do later. I just want to, yeah, to track it, say how many index there is by row. Yeah, no, it's always the same. No, it's not always the same. When there is the buzzer, it's going to take more X index. No, it won't be always the same. It will be in the end, it will be a giant guess on what tiles I want. It will be a guess. Yeah, maybe I can do the 6th row. Let's do the 6th row. Then I'm going to guess it, and with the guess I just need to name it after, and I'm good. Because yeah, this one take one less X, and actually don't know. The worst thing is if I'm off, if I have a tiny error, it's going to mess everything. Yes, it's going to mess everything with a tiny error. And I probably already done a tiny error, because you always do error on these kind of things. Well, let's just, now I'm in the Mario row. I'm going to do the Mario row. I'm pretty sure I did mistake somewhere. We'll see. So it's, yeah, it's 11 now for TT. There is one less row. Take one. There is one less. One less. And it basically take 16 every time. And so I'll take 16, except no, they don't take all 16. The first is 16, yeah. So this is X 16, 16, 16. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's medium size. Oh. Yes, yeah, the last one also is not. It's also TM, yeah. It's also TM. I'm in the big Mario now. And the big Mario still take TS, but it take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm completely wrong now. Yeah. And I have the Bowser one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why am I 7 here? This is TS, but it takes TM. And the last one is, it's a 10 on the y-axis. And the last one shouldn't even be part of the... it should be part of the... Yeah, maybe. Because it starts, yeah. Yeah, it should be part of it. Yeah, it should be part of it. So it's 10. It's not 10, it's 12 actually. And it's a medium size. Yeah, it's medium size. So 12 TM. Okay. Yeah. What about yeah, the next row is tricky also because it's a next row that just contain the tiny Mario. The next row is really short. It's like all the tiny Mario. I can do it pretty easy. This is this thing with a TT of 12. It's not TT now. TT of 13. TT of 13 and TS, yeah. Okay. Let's try that. Yeah, now I need to calculate the index. Yeah, I can just let's load that in Python maybe. Yeah, let's load that in Python. Actually will work, I think. I need to do a status thing. Python and say something like that. Okay. No. Yeah. Commands in Python is not the same as in Rust. Okay. $97. So 96 tile. If I put 96, it should be like Mario swimming. I'm 100% sure I made a mistake somewhere. 96. So that. At least I got Mario. I got Mario swimming? Is that the... Ah, it's not the last frame. Yeah. Yeah, it looked like the last frame. Oh, I did it oh, that's fucking amazing, man. I can't believe I didn't make any mistake. It's me. I mean, really didn't make any mistake. Good. Good, good, good. Getting better at it. Yeah, no, I need to name this thing. And I don't know. Because I think the idea of the enumeration wasn't stupid. But yeah, I need to copy all the enum for that. And it's not really good, but the things that I can ignore most of them. Yeah, I can ignore most of them. I just need, for example, if I want to have Mario swimming. Yeah, problem is that it's like Mario swimming. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Mario swim 5. And I forget 96. Okay, so I have I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 91, 92, 93, 94. Of course I did a fucking error. So I have 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Is that correct? Even, yeah. No, I should have minus 3. I have 96 somewhere. 96. I can do. How did I call it? Call it sprite tile. Okay. Well. Yeah, sprite tile is the stupid name. Maybe it should be called entities. Yeah, it's better. Why did I call sprite? Tiles make sense. Because I named the PNG file tiles, that's why. Let's call it entities, make more sense. Entity style. Sprite dim. Entities and call it entity style. Or entity. Entity. Entity time and Mario swim 1. So who has that now? Should have Mario swimming the first one. Yeah, Mario swim new size won't any. Okay, it doesn't work. New size. I take a new size. I give it what an enum. Yeah, but it's an enum. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. It's an enum to number. It's not like. I think I did it. Yeah, that's strange. No, yeah, 4. New size, yeah. Yeah, I know it takes an index, that's what I want to give, but accept that you size from enum. Yeah, can do that. Variant are only unit like allow discriminant value. Equal 1, I can do that, yeah. Yeah, I can do that, but it's on, no, yeah, it's on the spot here. Except that use size. Not sure why it doesn't, maybe because there's, I guess no. Did it work? No, it's caution. Ouais. What the fuck, man? Index array by enum. Yeah, that's what I want. No, I don't need a map. I want to be able to index a table. It's not enemy. Yes, this thing? No. I'm not sure. Yeah, it gives you... Why it doesn't work? I know it's this type, but yeah, it doesn't resolve it. Yeah, I want to... Yeah, maybe I cannot do that actually. That's possible. Maybe I can just do that. Maybe I can cast it. No, don't want. Yeah, I think I can just cast it actually. Because behind it's a number, but for Rust type it's an enumeration, so it makes sense that you can do that. It's just I don't use enum as they should be used. Okay, so Mario swimming. If I take this one, that's Mario swimming 2. Up. Still comparison is slow. Okay, I want Mario small. Yeah, I want. Can I add ignore here? Lost ignore flag. That's code. Just for this part because not want that code only by default. Allow that code just on this one. Yeah, okay. So what do I need next? I need the Mario, so let's go there. What's this thing? It was the swimming one. Yeah. I think there's difference between walk and run. I think, yeah, jump animation, dead animation. There's no animation difference between walk and run. I'm not sure. Maybe there's not. Well, maybe there's not. Let's say, yeah, let's, so. Jump 1, 2, 3 and that. Dead. Jump 1, jump 2, jump 3. Then I have 1, 1. And then 2. That should be Mario small. Mario small. Small. Oh! Something Mario small. And also Mario small. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Mario standing. Mario stand. Mario idle. Don't have the idle? Yes, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have the dead, the jump here. Idle is the first one. There's no. There's only 2 1. Yeah. So idle and 1, 1, 1, 2. It's not correct. It's the big one. Yeah. Okay, it's the big one for the first, so I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm 7 off. I'm 7 off. 3. I'm 7. So. Let's +6, I think 7, I don't know. I plus 75. What? Yes, of course, I'm stupid. I think that's it. What? Yeah. Yes. Okay. So again, should be like the first should be the small idle one. Yes, correct. Cool. Cool. What do I do next? I think I make it work left and right. It's the most simple things to do. But do I do with the physics engine or not? Let's commit it. And okay. Yeah, so yeah, I can basically just start with a move Mario, and then I see later I do. If I want non-giant physics Mario physics. Do I need? Yeah, I don't know actually. Because it looked like, let's just take the game Mario for a second. Was yes. Okay, I consent. Yeah, look, this is feel weird. There's a slide. Is that the wheel? You don't even know. Oh, the jump is also the jump. You can jump high and low. I didn't even know. Yeah, I changed everything. Yeah, there's clearly an acceleration. Also, I forget about that. The scrolling, when you scroll left, you cannot go left anymore. Yeah, I forget about it. This game is so old, I forget about it. This game is so old. It's crazy. Yeah, it feel really wide. So you have small jump. So you need, oh, there's 1, 2, 3. How many is this? 1, 2. I think 3 different. Yeah, not even. I don't think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is timer on the jump also. There's clearly acceleration. You can see you accelerate, then you deaccelerate with the other things. And you have this, yeah. So I clearly need physical. I clearly need acceleration struct. Yeah, it's supposed to be needed. I'll just rapidly make a config because I don't want to have this thing everywhere. So I think I can just do a mode config here, and yeah, I'm wondering if I can just. This is ugly, but I probably can just do. I'll make it all pub. Probably can do that. I already don't like it, of course. In main, front const, not config. This will disappear. This will also go away. This will go away. Should have error everywhere now. And every time there is string like that, I can just do config instead. Config dot all like that. I don't even know. If I do just config dot, no, nothing. Yeah, Rust is really not happy at all. Not fun, yes, so obviously it's not fun. let's do recipe restart. Not found. Use within declare entity tile. Yeah, but I cannot do that. Is that because it needs to be public? Sure, actually. Yeah, it needs to be public. Why you don't like it? Cannot find. Yeah. I know that. Okay. Is that good? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, I don't have the auto completion anymore anyway. Huh. LSP restart, please restart it. There are no active server in the current buffer. Yeah, why not? No, it's good. No, it's good. Yeah, I think it's good. Cargo run. Yeah, just move this thing, so maybe I should move this thing also. Okay, cool. I don't even use the constant for that. Do I ever? Yes, I have. Oh, why not? Let's use the constant. Window. Okay. So I did a spawn Mario. I need to attach things on it. I need to attach struct. What was this in the area? I don't need this thing anymore. Let's do that. I need to. Yeah. Let's see if there's an example for it. I don't want to use I know there's a physical engine called Rapier or something like that. Extremely good for doing this kind of things, but I want to do my own small physical engine. Because all the point of this is to learn how to do it minimally, not with plugin. This game. Let's see if there is velocity somewhere. Yeah. Yep. So, how do I call it? already forget. It's alien cake. Up. And I want velocity, rust. They're probably all example going to be in 3D. Yes. Here's this one with position, velocity, health. Component just a normal rust die. Data generate scope to a single piece of functionality, position, velocity, health. Yeah. Do I need bad positions already? I already have the position. It's already the transform of my sprite. I already have rotation, scale, and position. I don't have velocity, and I don't have acceleration. And it's basically a component that is a struct, a tuple struct of a 2D vector. That's how I think it is. I'm not sure, but it's probably like that. It's probably like that, but the velocity, no. Look, is it the velocity? What is this thing? Exam gain contributor. Oh, that's perfect. It's in 3D, but it's basically the same. Yeah. Collision system, cool. Move system. Delta velocity translation. Yeah, but it's play with the time. Apply velocity to position and rotation. Yeah. So it take the tick time. Also needs. Well, maybe I don't need it now, but I need to make the game loop. Game loop frame rate constant. Yeah. So you have a rotation. I don't think I need that. A velocity translate. Yeah, do I have rotation for velocity? Nothing is rotating. No, I don't think so. No, in the game I think nothing is rotating. I can add another component for it, so probably, but I need acceleration also. Because it's only at velocity, and basically there's no other force like gravity or anything that balance the velocity, so just set one point and probably going, it's bounding on the wall. But yeah, the tricky part is that it's take the transform object that have a velocity and then add delta to it. This is pretty much what I want to do. But I also want to change the velocity translation with the acceleration. So it's the 3-step, not the 2-step, but it's kind of the idea behind it. This one also have world mode, velocity, position, velocity. Maybe an example with acceleration. Let's try the acceleration. There's something. Acceleration vector. So it looks like body bundles. Look like yeah. It looks like a physics engine. Vector tree physics engine. Ether combinator. Look at stuff. Let me run this example. Cargo one example. Ether combinations. Yes, that's what I mean. You can do a loop. You can do loop on vector, I think. I should, see all the vector work because you have so many useful functions on vector. Okay. Yeah, so basically what they do is that they create a body object, a body bundle. And the body bundle doesn't have velocity. It's only have acceleration. I don't know what PBR is. What is PBR? Mate, okay. Oh, this is all the thing looks. Ooh. Ah, it's cool. Physics simulation. There have to be velocity somewhere with that. I have last pose acceleration. To generate the body like that. They have a position. This is how they created mass acceleration. There is no acceleration first. Then they have a last position. Yeah, it's something I don't understand with that. Fixed update stage. What is this thing? Okay. Delta time. Yeah, this thing. I need that also for the physics I'm doing. I can add it later, but I need a fixed time step for my system stage. But they just have acceleration, no velocity. Oh, I don't understand how it's going. Range. On the last it's on the last post. What is the last post doing? It's a vectory. It's the I don't. Maybe they calculate the velocity with two different acceleration, two frame. I know there is several, but I don't want a physics engine like that. I absolutely need acceleration and velocity. Maybe it should be on the body. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I want bevy rapier, and I want to see which component they have. Bevy rapier GitHub. Yeah, I could use this thing. I could use ECS tile system for bevy. It will make my life like 10 times easier. Even 100 million times easier. Because doing a physics engine on your own, it's not trivial. You don't make that in one day. It's impossible. I'm just going to clone that. Let's take another one here. For the example, bevy here, library, clone, bevy rapier. I already have it. Oh, okay. Libraries, bevy rapier. Yeah, I can use this thing also, the bevy ESC tile map. If I really cannot do it my own, I use it, or I'm looking at the code and try to understand and do my own things. But I add this thing now. I want to see some example. Bevy rapier 2D. Yeah, I already have it. I need to update it probably. So up. I have master. Yeah, probably master is good, I think. Let's take another shell and do cargo beam example. You show me what I can do. List. Can I cargo list? Like that. Cargo. Run list. Cargo. No. Cargo run example. Yeah, perfect. Box contacts. Despawn, event join, multi collider, player movement. Let's look at player movement. Example, player movement. Yeah, so I have the camera, wrapper configuration. What this thing is doing. I have the spawn player. So spawn player going to attach entities, a component on it. That's the idea. And then you have player of movement. And the player movement doesn't even need to take the time. Why couldn't find this thing? Okay. Yeah. You have gravity. I wonder if it's add as a resource, so I can probably add gravity as a resource. The gravity of the physics simulation. Time step more. There's so many things that would make my life easier. But yeah, basically you add rigid body dynamic. Okay, it's an enumeration. So you add medium component. Body cannot be affected by external force. Can be affected by external force. Fix it. Cool. Yeah, basically, for example, fix it. If you have, I also need that. If you have like platforms that go up and down, they are not affected by the gravity. Enemy Earth, for example, but if you have a cloud, it's not affected by gravity. So it's like, that's why you need to differentiate them in your game, because a lot of items are not affected by gravity. And by anything. You just want to see if there is a collision on it. Yeah, but yeah, they can not be affected by gravity, but have collision system. It's complex. Physics engine really complex. You have kinematic position. You have velocity. Okay. So you have component velocity. You should have an acceleration component also. Do you have that? Acceleration, none. But you have a velocity. And you have three things. Linear velocity, angular, and you have two angular. For 3D, okay. Yes, a different. For 2D, your angular velocity is just a number, and for 3D, it's a vector. Okay. So yeah, I don't need that. I just need that. And this is a specific vector. I don't need a specific vector. I need a component like that. I don't need that. I understand why he has it, but yeah. I don't need a mass. They're all going to have the same mass. I don't need a mass, but external force. Yeah, the external force I need is the gravity. That's all. Is it maybe there's friction also? Yeah, I think this because when Mario when you hold and then you stop, it stops like that. So. Oh yeah, Mario cannot accelerate. No, he can't. Mario cannot walk, basically. Yeah. This is hard game. This is hardcore game. Nothing was done after that. It was the end of the video game. There's Mario and there's nothing else. This game is really hard actually, because the control is precise, but you have to account the sliding. This is what's hard about it. And you have to time your jump. And yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so don't need that. Don't need that. External impulse. No. What is sleeping is doing? Dumping? What does dumping mean? Slowing down the transition motion of the rigid body. So I need friction also? I think I need gravity and friction. Yeah. But only Mario has friction now. Let's start the game again. I think only Mario has friction. Look, they go there. If I go up, they don't even follow me. Yeah. There is no AI behind it. It just collide and it go to the opposite direction. And all the difficulty is where they're going to spawn. And if you learn that, you cannot. There's no way it can be called. Also, there is destroying block, and there is also animation on tiles. That's also difficult. But yeah, don't feel like they have acceleration actually. It feels like only Mario have acceleration. Look at this. When they bump, they just keep the velocity and go right. So some have acceleration. Only Mario has acceleration. It feels like it. Yeah, it feels like only Mario has acceleration. But they are affected by gravity also, because they will fall. That's pretty sure they will fall. Ah, yeah, they don't fall, no. They go the opposite direction, of course they don't fall. Okay. So I still have no idea how I'm going to do that. I think the idea to have two components, one velocity and one acceleration, is the simple things to do. I don't even have force. Yeah, I don't even have force. Nothing. How do I accelerate? I don't understand. You add velocity and collider. Sprite size. If I do cargo run example, player movement 2 or 1? Player movement 2. Ah, it's for 2D. Player movement 2. Don't feel like it. No user data, what does it mean? Pixel per meter. Cool, there is a debug render plugin also. That's so awesome. That's so useful. Because you see the box and you see the vector, I think. But yeah, no. You start with velocity 0. I guess this thing is changing the velocity. And I guess there is a hidden system that will move every entities that have some components. Yeah, I think it's just changing the velocity, not the acceleration. Move delta, x right, then you have move delta x-axis. So you change your up, down, left to the direction. If it's different to 0, you move delta length, you scale it, and then you change the linear velocity. That's how you do it. It's like changing the velocity. You change the linear velocity. Yeah. If I want acceleration, how do I do that? Yeah, I should have example with acceleration, creation analysis, and transform velocity, rigid body, gravity, dynamic fix, okay, position, velocity, gravity, force and impulse. Acceleration is a force. That's how you do it. You external impulse, external force. What's the difference between them? Between an impulse and force. Change is equal to the force divided by the mass, yes? Impulse, the velocity change is equal to the impulse divided by the mass. What? Force, impulse, yeah? Yeah, okay, it's the velocity. It changed the acceleration by the force, but if you don't have acceleration, I don't get it. Mass properties, yeah, I don't need it. Looking, translation, notation, dumpling, dominance, sleeping. Gravity is such common force implement a special case on the configuration. I wonder what the gravity does actually, I don't really know. Yeah, you apply external force, apply an impulse. This is all you add acceleration. Yeah, acceleration is hidden. It's really hidden. But you cannot change the acceleration directly. You need to change the force or other force that will change the acceleration with the mass, and we calculate the velocity. But there is no way you can just say I'm going to change the acceleration of a physical engine, because otherwise we break everything. It means that the force calculation doesn't make sense. So you just need to add a force instead. Yeah. Yeah, of course I can cheat, because I don't know if I can change the acceleration directly. I can, because I can do anything, but yeah, I can change the acceleration directly. Maybe it's a terrible idea, I don't know. It's easier if I do that, because I don't need a real physical engine with force, I just need to change the acceleration. But yeah, what I don't understand is I want to see the code. Geometry plugin window, it is Linux control. Maybe I want to see the system they have. They should have a system somewhere. If they call it system, first. There's a system for graphics and for physics. Setup physics. So they have this system you need to add. No. This is a custom system. But they should have a built-in system. I don't want to be in example actually. I want to be in source. If I go there, I got mode system. Where am I? Plugin mode. Yeah, plugin mode. I have system here. I should have built-in systems of this one. Apply collider, user change. Yeah, this is that the building system? Change RB. It's great. So it's a building system. The join white step simulation. This is probably it. Config hooks. No, not. Physics hooks with core instance. Context. Step. What's inside the context? Context is rocker context. And wow. Everything is here. The body, the collider, everything, I think. They do a step simulation from it. Step simulation. Step. Yeah, this thing is interpolated on time step mode. Viable. And they use pipeline. How fix it is complicated. Move shape. Yeah, I think they control acceleration. They don't control acceleration. I don't know. Not sure how it's working. I don't know actually. No. No. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably oh, it looks so cool. Yeah, they add rigid body component. Can be added with the custom server rigid body. They add rigid body and then they have a transform bundle. It's a good question, I'm not sure. Velocity. No, velocity is gravity scale. Add a bunch of components. Yeah. you apply force, change the acceleration, change the velocity. Acceleration is hidden. You cannot just set the acceleration, but you can do with the velocity. Because acceleration is just a calculation of the force and the mass. That's all it is. It's just you're adding a bunch of vectors for the acceleration, you calculate the mass of the object, and you get the acceleration. It's just F times m. So, don't need to track it. But I can do it. I can do it. But I have 3 forces in the end. I have the gravity, I have the friction, and I have the impulse of Mario when I click the... Well, I have the impulse force, either vertical or horizontal. I have, yeah, this kind of force. And either I can change the acceleration directly, or I can just have these 3 forces. And with these 3 forces, I just calculate the acceleration, and then changing the velocity, and then changing the position. I actually don't know how to do that. Well, I have idea, but I know that... Yeah, maybe I should start doing something and see if it's work. I think I go with... like a struct force. What is velocity? Vec2. So I have velocity, I need the velocity, Vec2. That's it. And yeah, that's basically it. And I need, yeah, maybe I need a struct forces. Actually, don't know if I should do that. Maybe I need a name for the force. Yeah, but I need some way to differentiate them. Not the velocity, but the force I need. Like, it's a gravity force, or what is it? Maybe it should be... Maybe I can have like minimum force type and vertical, horizontal, and gravity and friction. And my force will be a struct of translation, maybe? Translation, and then force type. Translation will be a vec2, and I think that's it. Maybe I can do something even. Yeah, I can maybe. Because if I want to add several forces, maybe I don't even. Because I need to go inside it. Yeah, but can I add several forces to the same component with this technique? I can add force components. I can change its force type, but can I add several of them? It's like I cannot add several transform on a component. I think it should be that actually. It's a force, and you don't need to compose them. You just do a force type, and it's all maybe I don't even. Maybe I just need a name. Force type name. No, I think having a struct is not a bad idea. No. Okay. The velocity force will be vec2. And you have force type. I think I even go for copy. Even will go for copy trait. Copy trait. Oh, I need clone. Clone copy, yes. Clone copy. Copy. Wow, what about components? Why are you not happy about it? No? Yeah. Okay. What about default here? No default declared. Default replacing default above it. Yes, I don't know actually. But it's okay. And why not accepted item fund? What's wrong with this enum? Enum doesn't need that? Yeah? Okay. Oh, that's so strange. Yeah, struct doesn't need... I don't know. I don't know. Some need that, and other don't. And I don't know. Why is this one needed, another needed, but this one need? And they both struct. This one needed, this one don't. Why? Ah, maybe because it's a tuple struct. Tuple struct need a semicolon. And a struct doesn't need it. Yeah, probably. Well, syntax is a nightmare. Yeah. Look at that. Doesn't need a semicolon. Okay. So yeah, I wanna move. Not a move system. Move is for Mario, but well, let's call it move Mario. I want on the Mario things. I want to add entities. So I want to add a force. Yeah, I only want the gravity on it first. Yeah, let's add the gravity. Force, gravity, no. I need to do force. Ah, yes, but I can't. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah. Velocity, I can easily use it. Back to U 0, 0. No, I need a force type with the force. It's stupid because It's kind of stupid. Maybe I should add, yeah, a velocity of force. Empty. That make more sense, but velocity. Velocity, a vector. Yeah, but it's a vector. Vector is not the same vector. It's a list, so it's a vector. Whatever. Maybe I should add a vector of force. Well, individual force make no sense, but you need, but you need to have name to take the correct one. And if there were several force attached with different names, I don't know. I don't know if I can do that. Can I add multiple same components in an entity? I don't know if I can do that. Let's rewrite several same components with different properties in same entity. Allow entity to store multiple with the same type. Yeah. Component. It means I need to create. No. Yeah, need to be unique by entities. Otherwise you cannot select them. Yeah, need to be unique. Oh, yeah, I can add a vector. Vector force. Yeah, but yeah, but I need to filter them later. I don't like that. That's stupid. It's very stupid to say force 1, force 2, force 3, force 4. I could do that, but maybe, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of stupid, but it will work. But that's really stupid. The idea is to have... yes, that's really stupid. Yeah, idea is to have force... like jump and force gravity. Yeah, actually will work. And the force run. And the force friction. Force friction. Yes, you know what? It's not that bad actually. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but basically I can have the force everywhere. If there are two zeros, they do nothing. So I don't need to attach or detach the force. I can just say, okay, the force will be 0. Gravity is always on. Run is on when I press left, right key. jump is on when I press a space, and friction is on when I'm running. Well, friction is on every time. Friction is the hardest to calculate because it depends of your velocity. Yeah, let's. So if I do that, I can do an insert. No, not here. I can do on the Mario, small Mario, I can have a player velocity, and then I can add force gravity of, that's a very good question. Gravity will be 0 minus 9. Okay. Now if I move Mario, what I'm going to do, so it's a system that take the player, so it's a single query, take the yeah, it should be a move system, not, because a move system calculate force and then change the velocity and change the position, do the three things, and it's not filter the player. The filter player is for, it's related to the, yeah, maybe if I call it move Mario rather than move system, move Mario. So move Mario will take the transform and also take, it's going to take the force one and force jump, force, so it should be like that. Force 1 and with force jump, and take the input, keyboard inputs the same thing, put it there, and then the idea that it's going to change, so if it's left, take the force one. I don't even need a transform actually. I need a single query. I need this thing. I think I can decouple it, I'm not sure. Force run, and force jump, and I can do force 1.0 dot plus equal Satan. I need the delta also. Can I do that? 0. Of course. So left is minus, this thing is plus, plus minus, it's a minus, force 1, oh yeah, it's x of course. Do I have x element? I don't even know. No, fuck you, it's a back, man. That's back equal back new. And you can do vec dot x. I don't even have an x. I don't know. Yeah, why did... Yeah, I have X. Of course I have X. Fucking stupid. Should be like that, no? X. And... if so... Huh. I don't know. Should be an elif, maybe. Probably should be an elif here. And I do for the gravity now, so gravity is space. I also need to change this thing, so it will be left parents. No. Let's put A. A and B. No, A and E. Okay. So right. And space. And it's Y, and the force is the gravity. So I changed 2 force. No, why it doesn't like that? Use parentheses to construct this tuple. Huh, why not? Ah, yeah, of course. Force, jump. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so that's very tricky because I had a force gravity, I need to add a force jump with 0, and I need to add a force run with 0. Because it's going to change. Yeah. It's like an impulse, so it need to be... that's also... I don't know how much time they should be in. Yeah, it's... I should track what Mario is doing, not changing in the move Mario. That's stupid. But whatever. I do it like that now. I will factor later. And why don't you like that? Okay, you don't like that because you want to back to new of that, and you want velocity and you want 3 for the force. So you want the run, that is 0, and you want the jump, also 0. Yeah, so you have the player, you take this thing, why it's in, should have a snake case name. Force. One and force jump. Okay. Okay. Let's add this component. Yeah. I also need to start up. I should have startup system set stage label. Let's see outward system set. bevy is good. The example. System set, you have label, and then you do a with system. With system, with system, with system. I need one criteria also, add system. System set new, okay. Ah, that's exactly what I want. Yeah, it's pretty much what I want. Something like that, but with a time step of control time step. So if I do that, I got stage label. So stage label startup for it, and then systems set is a new system. New system with system that called new map, and the with system called spawn Mario. Oh, what happened? Spawn Mario. I can get rid of both of them. And I have basically a debug system here. Probably have pre-date, so I will just do that. Quit pre-date here. And the full screen and move camera. Okay. And I add my update system and get startup. It's not a startup, of course. It's a core stage. Core stage. Update. Oh, it should be on pre-update for the. Oh, maybe it should be on pre-update for the input. Yeah, the input should be on the pre-update. Need to be before the update. Yeah. Maybe I should put it there. Yeah, you know what I should. I should put move Mario here. Nothing here. Okay. Ah, yes. No, that's correct. Yeah, what's... Ah, yeah, of course. Don't like it, why? What is this thing? Okay. Yes. And I need, for the update, basically there is none of them now. But I need the win with criteria. Fix it. And run with criteria. With delta time. No, it's not the white delta time. One per second. time step, yeah, that's what I want. Yes, that's what I want. And on the config, time step, what comes 32 is equal to 1 over 16. Time step here, config. Why it should be a F64 fixed time step? Fail to resolve fixed time step. Where is it? Fixed time bevy, okay. Yes. Yeah, I can. The magic of Emacs. Bring it to the scope. No? It's absolutely need to be a F64. Yes, here we go. I think. What does it change my mic? What? Why am I scrolling and change my mic? What the fuck is this? Okay. So I have a system that do nothing, but we'll do later. Then I have a jump that change the player. Yeah, I shouldn't maybe call it query. Well, maybe it's not. Yeah. It's not really moved Mario. It's Mario control maybe. Mario controller. Yes. Do I make the physics system? Because otherwise I will not see anything. Yeah, I should definitely do. Let's do it. Move system. And everything that has a velocity is movable. So if I take a query, everything that has a velocity. Yeah, yes. And I need to calculate force first. And then I need. So, yeah. It's different. Maybe I need. Because velocity just. Yeah, but maybe I need an apply force system. Yeah, probably. With option. I need two. Because I can add a move system, but if I cannot change the velocity, it will be useless. But I need to apply force, so I need to get back the force and the optional. And so, yeah, of course I could do that. I think it's ugly, but I can have an option system. I'm pretty sure I can do that. I can do an option here. Option. I don't. Do I change it? Is that? No, acceleration calculate, but force one. I need velocity first. And I need something like that. I need velocity is not an option. This is an option. Yeah, that's why they should be split. Yeah, they should be split. Because it's stupid. If they don't have any velocity, why should I can just split the system. I can have a update position, and they just take care of the velocity. Like, maybe I should have an apply velocity system and an apply force system, and the apply force change the velocity and the velocity change the direction. So yeah, it should definitely be so with velocity and with transform. Velocity transform here. Like that, I think. What am I doing wrong? I forgot one for the query. Like that, like that. No, why not? Query, velocity. Oh, I need both, of course. First parameter, second parameter, and I don't need that. I only have one. I need reference to the tone. No, I need a mutable reference on it, and just a reference on this thing. I think I'm good. And then I just need to take the transform, so I can do for query in for velocity and position. In query dot into. Do I need to do into? Or? I think I need to do iter. No, don't like that. Mismatch type different mutability. Not sure why. Type different mutability. Bevy prelude. From mutable reference in query. Consider removing mut from the pattern, but I need it. Type different mutability. Velocity to be mutable also? Oh, probably. Probably, but I won't change it. Ah, yes, I need to do an iter mut, probably. I don't need to change the velocity. No, why not? Except that struct mat found mat. Considering mat. Okay. Yeah. System, I think this should let some option. Runtime queries. I want an item at queries. Query creator, query filter, yes, commands, no. Create local plugin system set maybe. Param sets maybe. I have several of them. Item mut, and I have the half, and I say mut half, and I can change it. But they only have one component, and I have several of them. Do I need to do that? This feels so stupid. That's been really stupid. This feels so stupid. This feels really stupid, but this thing. I think it's good. I don't need for the velocity, of course. Okay. Maybe it should be the opposite now. Yeah, take the mutable first. Take the mutable first. Make more sense. Position dot. Yeah, position as a vector, so just a transform for anything. It's just scale it. It just add the vector. Can I just do velocity? No, I cannot do that. Can I do that? No. Cannot just plus equal to prelude mod prelude. Oh yes, it's a transform. It's not a position. It's a transform. And transform as yes, it doesn't show me. Yeah, transform is position in it. Translation, transform translation. I think I can do that. No, cannot add a sign vector to bevy vector 3. This because velocity is a vector 2, not a vector 3. That's really sad. That's really sad. Can I transform it to? Maybe I should have vector 3 instead. I don't know actually. Extend. Create a 3D vector from self and given. No, the right, yeah, I can do an extend. What extend? Can I do that? No, why not? Take one argument. No, that's not what I want. Why am I in vec 3? What are you talking about? Vec 2, yeah. From slice. Min max, compose. Yes, that's funny that Can I do an into? No? You don't even multiple. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't know. Yeah, but it should. Oh. Can I do vec3 like that? No. Can I do vec3 from velocity 0? No, why not? Yeah, it doesn't. You cannot even convert a vec. Wow. Is that a bevy vec2? Glam. I don't know. Maybe I'm not in the. Maybe it's not a good vec2. I don't know. Yeah, it's like I'm converting a glam vec2 to a bevy vec2. What in the hell, man? What in the hell? Yeah, I feel like you should use vec3 everywhere. Why? Make no fucking sense. I hate this shit so much. It's so stupid. It's so fucking stupid. Yeah, but it's not the same. It's not in the prelude. Is that in the prelude? Doesn't look like it. If I go there, I'm in vec2 glam. Yeah, I'm not in the bevy one. I'm not in the bevy one. That's so fucking stupid. Why am I not on the bevy one? I bring the prelude. It doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't make any sense. No, yeah, I'm the glam one. It's the glam one. That's correct. No, that's correct. It's so stupid. Maybe. No, it's really stupid. No, it's so stupid. It's so stupid. Should be automatic. From vec2 f32. Why? Why do I need a 2 number? Ah, for the Z. Because it cannot guess the Z. I need that actually. I think I need that. And then you can convert it. Because, yeah. Okay, I guess I understand why. Yes, apply velocity. F it's all it does. Actually, it does nothing else. Let's go there. Apply velocity with system. Okay. and apply force. And the apply force it will change the velocity. So it's also a single query with velocity and maybe I can do any. Can I do with any? Any. Bevy with any. List of bevy built-in. I should be able to do any. No? Any tuple spatial in the with system I want. System control window. Mouse. No, I don't care. I don't care. I want the system. Bundle. I don't care. Assets. I don't care. Oh yeah, pretty much it there. Can contain 15 type. F read-only word query. Yes. With without option. It's like a with option. Yeah, I think I only have 4 false possible, so I don't know if it's a good idea, but yeah, I don't know. Not sure it's a good idea. What I've done with the false. Not sure it's a good idea. Maybe the things on example system, generic startup system piping. It's more like components. Yeah, I also have change. You can also get the entity. I don't care. Wow. With wow. What does it even mean? The documentation. Query filter. Without option. I want an option with a with any. Accessing query tabs. Okay. Any of. See, look for any of to automatically declare many optional components. Yeah, so that's exactly what I want. I want any of something. Any of. Yeah, I'd like to find it. Where am I? Any of. No exam. Maybe I type it wrong. No, I type it right. Yes. Any of name. Oh, it's already built in. I can just do any of like that, I guess. with any of. I just do these three things. Is that a tuple? Any of phantom data? How do I use it? I don't know. Wow, it's a macro. I don't know how to use this thing. Yeah, like that. Okay, it's okay, makes sense. White table is equal to query option with. Oh, is it? Ah, it's replaced. It's only once. You do a query any of. Don't even need a with. Yeah, it's exactly what I want. It's exactly what I want. I want basically any of, and then a tuple of apply force once. It won't change the force. Maybe it will. I don't know. I don't know. It will change the velocities of the middle goal. Yeah, but I still need another component. With C. Yeah, I'm missing one component. Each of the components here reduce options with option queries. I need two of them. I also need the velocity. Maybe it should be a tuple like that of velocity any of, and then you can start your first run. Huh. If I do, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, maybe I can't. Maybe I'm doomed. But I can just get the velocity. I think it doesn't matter. Can I do that? It's not an option. Remove the generic argument. Why? Because it's not an option? Yeah. I need this one, basically. I don't know. I also don't know. Yeah, I can do if let's some force run, for example. No, yeah. For in velocity. In yeah, accepted in option for mid. Yes, yeah, they're all options. Maybe I can. Can I just do just that and I don't know if I can do that. I want to do something like, yeah, probably don't know if I can do that. Can't. Yeah, probably maybe I can be more verbose about it. Yeah, I could be more verbose. Well, I am going to be more verbose. I don't like the any of, it's too much magic to me. It's too much magic to me. Even if I repeat myself a lot, but fourth one. Welcome to hell. Welcome to hell. Right. Wait a minute. Even that doesn't work. Velocities and force gravity. Wow. Why not? Yes, of course. Ah, why did you do that? Oh, this is oh. Oh, this is oh, yeah. That makes more sense, huh? Want to take everything like that? Oh, wait. It's oh with. It's much more complex than I imagine. Oh with. I need both, at least two. First one. Ah, fuck, doesn't move. Why not? Parenthesis type parent may only be used with F-entry. Syntax is not good. Yeah, of course. No? I have all. Yeah, I need one here. This one like that. No? Why not? I have one more. Okay. No, I'm missing missing something now. What? Yeah, I have this one close. This one close. Yeah, and I still have this one, so I still need that and that. Doesn't feel. No. No, why not? I think it's. Wait a minute. Component is not implemented for STD option force gravity. Cannot have option in it. Why not? Oh, maybe it's. I don't know actually. It's not. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, makes sense. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's hardly not force, but no force one. Okay. And I need to. Yeah, it's kind of ugly, but I can just do a if let sum like a fac 2 new 0 0. Yes, I need to loop it, of course. I need to loop it. I need to loop it for query for in query.itermat. I need this thing, and I need gravity, and I need let sum. It doesn't look like that. Let sum. I'm getting tired. If let sum. Yeah, you basically need to call the gravity here if it exists. Call gravity. Yeah, I think it's correct now. Three elements. Yeah, I need the fourth one also. Even if I don't do anything with it. Okay. Why not? Week 2. Why not that? Oh. Yeah. it's because I can just do vec new, and I think now I need it. Can I do a vec splat? Create a vector with all elements to set to v. Oh, I can do splat to 0. Or I can just do the 0 vector. Can I just do a vec 0? Why not? Is that create a new one? Is it trigger a function and create a... Yeah, I think. No, yeah, but it's... Yeah. But I cannot... If I change it... if I change the 0 vector, it will be changed everywhere now. I'm not even sure. I'm not sure I can do that. Just do a plot of 0. It's more obvious what it does. Oh, not 0 like that. Let's not use an Indian your velocity. Plus equal the acceleration. Velocity of 0. Okay. I think that's the main idea. I don't know if it will work, but acceleration force 0 also. Why is it's not happy about it? Very complex type, Costner factor into type definition. I know it's very complex. I don't... What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Yeah, I'm sure there's more advanced technique to not be that complex, but... Yeah, what am I supposed to do? PP time complexity. PP type complexity, ignore. Okay. Yes. That's terrible code. Yes, so apply force and apply velocity. Apply force, apply velocity. Apply force. But after force. Okay. So you have that. So this thing will change the velocity, this thing will change force. And technically should run. Oh. big panic. Panic without saying anything. I should tell me why it's panic. Pre-dead does not exist. It's panic here. Pre-dead does not exist. What? Maybe I can do it. Yeah, because it's it shouldn't be a startup system. It should be just a system. Something for me. Fuck this shit. Once panic cycle in parallel system. Want to be after because of label force. It looks like there's an error. Why is this a cycle? I just want to call velocity after a call force. Why is this a cycle? I don't get it. It's not. Why is this a cycle here? Make no sense. It's like they both have the same name. I don't know. Yeah, I'm doing something wrong here. Can I do I don't know. Label, yeah. With only system set can have label. When I do with system, they cannot have label. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, it basically it need to be in order. Yeah. So maybe I need another system also. I can do with systems. No, with system. No, I don't know actually how to do that. After a system. I can give a label to it, but I need to do a new system set. I'm not sure. Because I have a system set and another system set. They do with system and dependencies between system set and system set. The first one is run after the physics. Does it matter? It's already on the pre-date, so I don't need it, but I wonder if it's matter on the... I don't know, actually. If they are in parallel, does it... Well, if I calculate if I apply the velocity before the force, I'm fucked. That's... Yeah. That's I cannot do that. I need to control one. I need another system set, yeah, probably. Yeah. Yes. I need a criteria of this thing. I'm going to repeat the with criteria. That's what I don't like at all. I don't like that at all. Yeah, it's kind of stupid now. It feels really stupid. Because now I need another one. I need an after, I don't even need another after force. And apply velocity. Really feel stupid, but okay. Yeah, where's Mario? Where are you, Mario? Mario disappeared. It's maybe because it's broke. Maybe because it's go down very quickly. I don't have time to see it. I did something wrong here. I don't slice this. Why? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's do that. I start with a gravity of a tiny one, like 0, 0. I still don't have the delta also, so my physics is completely broken. I forget to calculate the time. Yeah, physics is broken, but I want to see if I can at least move something and if the gravity is applied. Yeah, gravity is applied, it's accelerates, that's really good, really good. And if I put the gravity to 0, let me put it to 0 for a second. And if I do, I go right or left, and it's space, yeah, maybe space is not calculated, or left or right is not calculated. I have force one calculated, gravity and force one. So I should be able to move left and right. Yes, I do. Extremely fast, but that's normal. I do, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Let's put 2, like 0, 1. I'm doing minus. Yeah, makes more sense. Yes. And the jump also very short. Why not? Okay, move right. Yes, I do. And yeah, okay. Oh, okay. It's never reset basically. You will see it again. Come on, Mario, come back. You can do it. You can do it. It will be so fast, it will pass all the frame, I guess. No, it will never come back. It's gone. Ah, yeah, you see it. Okay. Let's not. Okay. Bye bye, guy.